Merry Christmas, YouTube! This is Wind5387 here with a second part to my Macintosh Performa 476. As you may have seen in my first part, I've received many accessories with this computer that also came in the original box. And I just decided to make this video to show everybody some of those accessories. So I have my Kensington trackball, and this mouse pad actually came with this computer when I ordered it. I have this external CD-ROM drive, and although this isn't a CD, I could still try to see if this works. And also have the manual for the Kensington trackball and the floppy disk to, I guess, install software or something. Yep, version 5.04. And my Performa. And you may notice this yellow piece of paper. That's just because the feet on the bottom of the display are sort of dried out and now they become chalky, and that's just to keep the rubber from rubbing onto the Performa's case. But otherwise everything is still perfectly functioning. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up a Performa 476. There goes the startup chime. And then we'll get our 14-inch Apple Performa display. And there it is. This Macintosh is booting up into System Software 7.5. And now it's just got to load up the extensions. And here are the famous puzzle pieces. Oh, that always does that. And it always says cannot locate the teleport serial modem, which is inside of our Macintosh Essentials box. Unfortunately, I won't be able to hook that up because the technology is so old. I probably and I don't really know if I have anything that has any of these types of ports in my house. So this, unfortunately, I will not be able to do to look at. But we still have some other accessories to look at. Alright, and here we are. So, as you can see, I have my Kensington trackball that does work. And it's a little odd to get used to at first. But maybe for those of you who have not seen my first part, let's just take a look at about this Macintosh. So it is running System Software 7.5 and has 36 megabytes of RAM, and the total memory is 73,728 kilobytes. I'm not sure if it's using any of that. Oh, maybe it says the largest unused block is 70,000 kilobytes, which is 7 megabytes. So I might be able to use America Online. Let's see. What? Well, this is something I just discovered, so bear with me if I don't know how to use it. And I do remember one of my commenters on my first part suggested that I open up this Performa and enable the full memory. I did not do that, actually. I don't even remember what I did, but I did something with the memory without opening up the computer itself. But here it is. It may take a little bit of time since this is a 25 megahertz processor. Who knows, this might be the first time this computer's ever even used this program. And this, of course, was the time when internet was still just being introduced to the vast majority of computer users. Getting a setup will now help you set up the America Online AOL service to work with your computer. If you have an external modem, please make sure it's turned on, connected, which I won't be able to do. Begin automatic setup. I guess I'll do that. Searching for a way to connect you. Okay, confirming connection. I'll just use the TCP. Sorry, you cannot connect to the AOL system using this connection method. Select the location that connects via modem or reconfigure your TCP/IP control settings. Maybe this won't work. You cancel signing on to the AOL system. Need to finish setting up. Can we sign? No. Well, I tried. Well, that was America Online for everybody. Oh, I'm still quitting the application. Okay. Yeah, let's just take another look. Let's see this Apple CD audio player, or Apple video player, since I have my external CD-ROM drive here. It may not play the video, so it's a CD-ROM. Well, I guess we'll just use a CD player. So here it is. Let's see if this works. I just put something on this CD right here. I don't hear it spinning yet. I wonder if that orange light means something is wrong. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. This may be it. No CD. Uh-oh. Let's see this. Try this again. It is old. I won't blame it. It may not work. Doesn't sound like anything's happening. Oh well, that doesn't work either. We'll try with that one as well. So let's exit out of this compact disc digital audio and take another look at another application. Notepad. Let's see what that looks like. I guess this is sort of just like the modern Notes app that we have in macOS 10 El Capitan. I'll just take a note here. Remember to edit. Oops, wait a minute. Add ending, which I almost forgot to do on my last Mac video, so I can just add a note to myself on this video. There you go. close that out. And another cool application, I'm not sure if it's in the Apple menu, but well, Stickies, which is similar to Notepad, but this app has remained in macOS for a very, very long time. I'm not even sure when it started, and you could basically take a note in this as well. So hi, I'm a Macintosh. So that is Stickies, and you can change the color of the note with these awesome 256 color graphics on System 7.5. So that is Stickies, and I guess we'll take one more look at another application. Let's see here. This is basically a mission control of the time. Let's go back to the Finder. And I guess we could take a look at ClarisWorks, which is Apple's AppleWorks 6 or iWork of the time. Somewhere in here. I had it somewhere. I can never remember where I put it. Ah, here it is. ClarisWorks 4. Bling! And you can do word processing, drawings, paintings, spreadsheets, databases, and communications, which sounds familiar if you have used AppleWorks 6. And let's just go with a, let's see if we can do a drawing. Use all these cool graphics in System 7.5. You can start painting some squares and stuff and editing in there. I've gotta just erase this. And maybe you could paint with some different colors in here. Let's fill that in. Maybe let's use a different color. Oops. All of your colors in here. And we can make another shape of some sort. Let's use a line. And I don't know, anything that comes to mind you could do in ClarisWorks on a drawing. So let me quit ClarisWorks, and that is, I guess we can save this. Let's name this a drawing and save it in this everything folder, and perfect. So that is ClarisWorks, and that was a look at a few of our Performa's accessories, such as the Kensington trackball, which is fully functioning, our external CD player, which may not work, I don't know, the manual for the Kensington trackball, and the rest of our Performa's accessories inside this box. So hopefully you enjoyed this video on my Macintosh Performa 476 and some of its accessories. Thank you for watching this, and goodbye.